Yeah, Woodine.
That's Woodine.
Woodine, you know what I'm saying? Like
Le
Woodine.
Creator.
I know today when we open the phone lines, people are going to ask me about my wedding and things. The fella is going to be around me. So it's just Thursday. Let's speak our English and move.
All right, so go on.
Woodine is like the new ish.
When we say Woodine, how do you respond? You don't know about it. No, don't do
Man's Chevy.
Dabi, Le Creator.
Eh? Is it French?
It's French, yeah.
Now I need to consult my French
teacher.
It's
French.
Say it again.
Le Creator.
Let me see your tank roll in
I can't roll it.
Let me feel the
tank.
tank.
The best I can do is what I just did.
So, Jay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure Woodine is going to give you cloth every Friday.
All right.
So you rock it for your sister, right?
I got it.
You a fresh boy. When you got Woodine on that skin, you're going to pop and it's hot.
Yeah.
And it's going to be like chicken.
And then shouts to our other sponsor too, Vodafone.
Okay.
And all they're trying to say is that these days when you send money to any Vodafone customer or Vodafone Cash customer, you don't pay any charges, and then when you send money from Vodafone Cash to any other network too, it is also free. You don't pay a dime. That's what it is. So why don't you just hop onto Vodafone Cash so you can keep sending money for free without paying anything. So Vodafone, the future is exciting.
Ready? Yes, I am. Because it's my uncle's birthday today. I heard you doing it.
Oh, yeah.
A video. I'm not coming. Could you Belgium, Antwerp?
Yeah, Antwerp, yeah.
My uncle is more like the guys. Like, our family, we too dope. We the guys, we dapper. Like, when you go to South on Treso, Korowanta. Like, just look at the nickname.
Korowanta.
Yeah, it's his birthday. Uncle, shouts to you wherever you are.
Yeah.
The borders have been open. I'm looking at coming to Antwerp to see you soon.
Really?
So happy birthday to you, uncle. I love you, Jay.
So you mean you want to travel?
Yeah,
This is certainly not a good time to do so.
So you want to go and leave me here?
No, I'm going. I'm not going.
You're not going anywhere.
No.
You of all people.
I am not going anywhere.
Yes, no,
the second wave is actually taking place in most of the places. So so I don't want to go.
Oh, so you scared?
Wait. Oh, yes. Who is not scared of coronavirus? We are scared of it. Yeah.
You traveling ambassador, you give up.
Yeah.
I'm a leave.
I don't want to travel.
I'm a leave now.
I said somewhere in March that this year's 2020.
No trip.
I won't travel to anywhere. So that's when I return from Europe. And then, so I'm still holding on to that.
All right.
I'm not going to travel to anywhere.
I got you.
I was thinking of traveling somewhere in February next year.
Okay.
But
Val's Day, I see what you want to do.
I still want to,
I see what you want to do. Val's Day, you want to
put that one on hold for now. Yeah. So it's not even confirmed.
Okay.
Maybe I might not.
It's a good one for
Maybe I might not.
It's a good one for
I still want to be around.
It's just a good one for Nshoma. You're going to be there. You're going to be there.
You people got to do.
Don't shout.
No, you people got to do what you got to do.
I know what I'm saying. You don't I know, bro. You ain't got to shout. So GH Unite concert 2 will be coming on 1st of November. Stonebwoy, Shatta Wale, Kwame Eugene, Kofi Kinata. Like, it's just part. Logis Entertainment with classic promo.
Sure.
It's going to be banger. First, you
on
just
the 1st of November. Yeah.
It's dope.
8 p.m. sharp.
Yeah, I'm going to leave you now. I got a trip to do.
All right.
I love you, bro. I'm
catch you later. Yeah.
Oh, big brother. Go do it.
For BE. Anyways, congratulations and then a happy birthday to Papa.
Then with the watch I like
of to my Papa of our home.
Rock rapper Satan with them.
And is no other person. Okay, so let me go over this one again. Congratulations and a happy birthday to Papa of our home. And is no other person we call Uncle Sam of Escas.
Side video.
Hey, really?
Don't tell him. Just a play. Make nobody ball.
Escas Community 2 and then Osaiwaya Community 1, site 17. Husband, father-in-law, daughter-in-law, grandson. In fact, the Fisa family, they all wishing you special blessings on your life. Now, may our Heavenly Father continue to grant you more years for you to enjoy yourself. Are you cool? And then I just say, Minister of Dedications, the whole wide world. Onwagaza 18th birthday. So a happy birthday to you, Uncle Sam of Escas Tema Community 2 and then of Tema Community 1, Site 17. Nyame Onshao, be brave. Ewo yes, Dimo. Okay, and this one also says, please, Deacon, sympathy to Erica, J, Mrs. Benis Ametepe, Rose Wita Saki, Emmanuel Mate, as they lay their mother, Madame Victoria, Ohene Adobia Saki, to rest tomorrow. For Mr. John Ametepe of Emmanuel Methodist Church, Ni Boyman. That's a for the Adrian. And the minimum. Okay, I was very fancy that and you really see I can see a boss on trust. You may have much now. Yeah, they are kind of ever to also. I will do 106.5.